We have a 2023 brand new BMW XM. This thing is a beast of an SUV. Check this out. I looked it up, 6 feet long. It barely fit in the bay. All right, what we did today, guys, custom midsection. He didn't want to touch it because the thing has like 4 miles on it, so we just removed it right here, replaced it with pipe. We didn't want to touch the muffler in the back. It does get a little bit complex. Check out these tips though. To adjust it, everything, it's like, you know what? Just leave it like that. It looks clean as is, so it's all good. But this thing is a hybrid also. We're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear it. Obviously, we didn't remove too much, but it's still gonna sound a lot more aggressive. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, I'm gonna show you the ceiling. Yo, check out the ceiling inside. It's like this geometric thing, illuminated. The thing is sick. All right, let me know.